Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the installation of application using the APT Package Manager in elementary OS 8. As we know, in elementary OS 8 the App Center contains only the FlatHub application. So all the applications that are available in the FlatHub repositories are directly available in the App Center, and many users don't like Flatpaks. They want the native dev packages. So you can install native dev packages using the APT Package Manager. In earlier video, I was showing you how to install the Snap Store in elementary OS 8. Now we will use the native dev packages using the APT and install the applications of our choice. So let us start. We have to issue the command sudo apt search GIMP. So we will install the GIMP image processor. You can see it here. It will be available. Yes, just a moment. Yes, the GIMP is there. So what we will do is we will just install GIMP. Here is the GIMP. So you can install it as a dev package. So it will be the version that will be available is as per what is there in the Ubuntu store. So now you have to just issue the command sudo apt install GIMP. So that will install the GIMP. So around 31 new packages will be installed. 21 will not be upgraded, and it will require around 31.2 MB of archives and 151 MB of additional disk space will be used. So that's fine. Done. So now we can search it here in the applications. Yes, the GIMP is there and we can open it with NVIDIA graphics, and it is not I think view in App Center. Let us try. No, it is not working. So it won't be viewed from the App Center. Only App Center, only the Flatpak applications from the FlatHub are available, I think. And you can just search for GIMP and it will show GIMP. Let us see. So you can see the GIMP is available as a Flatpak in the App Store. So it is dev packages are not shown here. That's it. So this is how to install a native dev package in elementary OS 8. In the last video I have shown you how to install application package from the Snap Store, and in the maybe I shown you how to install from the App Center. It's very easy. You just select any application package in App Center. It will be downloaded from the FlatHub repository, and you can have two settings: FlatHub that is for the user and FlatHub for system wide. So when you use this Flatpak as a or a FlatHub as a system wide, then it will install the application for all the users, and if you just use the option FlatHub, then it will install that particular application only for the user that is currently logged in. So that's it. I will now stop the video here. Bye bye.